Shut the fuck up, you stupid alarm clock. Let me sleep already.
Two hours later.
Dark Giga chocolate buzzer, wake your fucking ass up.
Huh? What's going on?
Dark Giga chocolate buzzer, you have been 2 hours late for school. Explain why.
Okay, I snoozed my alarm clock so I can continue sleeping.
Dark Giga chocolate buzzer, why would you snooze your alarm clock just so you can continue sleeping and we're being late for school? You know that you aren't supposed to do that because being late for school is not okay, and for this, you are grounded until Easter, and instead of going to school today for the classes, you will be doing the works at home. So take out your stuff and go to your learning table.
Man, this is absolute bullshit.